So, here is the plan. As you can see, I will cross the lava bridge to collect the magic magma in my obsidian glass. And meanwhile, Mr. Winston must defeat King Wolf and then steal his golden fang. And Fuzz, you will ready the cauldron for our level 3 flame blast potion.
Can we just do something with the ABCs?
Oh, fine.
Your quest sounds amazing, Sir Giles. Maybe even a little scary. Do you think we could do it another time?
Certainly. I will save the plans for the future. On to the alphabet challenge.
What do we have to do?
We are going to build each lowercase letter of the alphabet using different materials.
You're copying my idea from the 100 challenge.
He is using some of your ideas, Mr. Winston. It just means that he likes them and he thought that they were really cool.
You bet it was. It was a brilliant idea. Next thing you know, he's going to ask Mr. Van if he could borrow his Pokémon cards.
Mr. Van, can I ask you something, please?
What are you thinking, Sir Giles?
Can we please use your Pokémon cards?
Oh, my goodness. I can predict the future.
Oh, quit being so dramatic, Mr. Winston. Can I please just borrow them, Mr. Van?
Of course you can borrow my cards. Just please be careful with the OG Blastoise. It's one of my favorites.
There will be no creases, we pinky promise. And action!
Fuzz! Action means we've got to start the episode. Let's look for the cards. You're a little too close. That's better.
A, Alakazam. B, Blastoise. C, Clodsire. D, Dinosaur. Randy, what are you doing here? I heard you need something that begins with the D sound, and I am a dinosaur.
But you're not a Pokémon.
Catch you on the flip side, fellas. Bye. Diglett. Atkins. Flapple. Gengar. Hitmonchan. Inkay. Jigglypuff. Cleavor. Larvitar. Meowth. Noctowl. Averquill. Pikachu. Quaxley. Rhydon. Squirtle. Toxtricity. Umbreon. Venusaur. Wheezing. X.
Oh boy. We don't have a card that makes the X sound at the beginning.
On the count of 3, we will scour this house to find one. 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Van, we weren't able to find a Pokémon that begins with the X sound, but we have a proposal. Do you think that we could make an exception and use an animal? The fox.
You know what? That might actually work. I know that a fox isn't a Pokemon and it doesn't begin with the X sound, but it does end with it because the truth is there just aren't many words that begin with that noise, so you usually do hear it at the end. And when we're listening for the last sound in words, there's a strategy that we can use with our bodies, actually our arms. So if you hold your arm out like this and get ready to say the word fox with me, fox, x, we just punched up that last sound. Let's try it once more. Arm out, fox, x. Very good.
Y, young goose. Z, Zapdos.
Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you climb a tree?
I can't climb trees too well. Have you seen my arms?
I have one arm and learned to climb, though it wasn't easy.
I'll give you a boost, Randy. I've been hitting the squat rack. I've got you in the fireman's carry. Hang on. Ow! Whoops, let me try that again. But this time, I'm gonna have some turbo drink first. Turbo! Roar! Operation Launch Dino into Tree. Activate. Thanks, buddy.
Looks like I'm going to head outside to climb some trees with my friends. Thanks for joining me today, team. Let's try to remember to work hard, show kindness, ask questions, and be brave. Hope to see you next time.
If you want to come back and visit our Learning Land again, give us a like or subscribe. Fuzz says that it has something to do with an algorithm.
I say algorithm schmalgorithm.